Question 3. Kyle ate some lollies from the packet. There were 12 left. Before Kyle started eating, there were 18 lollies. How many did he eat? This question is about a whole packet of lollies. One part is the part that was eaten, and the other part is the part that is left remaining. In my diagram, I'm going to put the whole packet in the whole bar. This side will be how many were eaten as one part, and the other part will be how many are left remaining in the packet. Kyle ate some lollies from the packet. There were 12 left. We know there were 12 lollies remaining. I'm going to make this part 12 centimetres. This is one part that I know. Before Kyle started eating, there were 18 lollies. So at the very beginning, there were 18 lollies. And this hole we've drawn is 18 centimetres. How many, my unknown, is how many he ate. So I'm trying to find this part here is my unknown. I know the whole and I know a part. So my plan is going to be the whole of 18, subtract the part of 12, will give me the part that I don't yet know, which is how many were eaten. 18 subtract 12 equals 6. I'll check for 6 by putting it into my diagram. 6 eaten at 12 left equals 18 as the whole. That is an alternate plan. Part at part equals whole. So that's correct. The last thing I need to check is my question mark. How many did he eat? He ate 6 lollies.